Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Come and explore. If it's your first time here and you like what you see, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button below. So the first thing I've got is a really lovely healthy indulgence smoothie. It's really sweet and it's great for when you want to have something sweet but you still want to stick to your healthy eating plan. The wonderful thing is that this smoothie is only consisting of 4 ingredients, so that's brilliant. Anyway, it's worked for me, so if it works for you then that's great too. Measurements are at the end of the video and in the description box. So you just take your ingredients, your banana, your milk, your seeded mix and your dates, and you just get going like I'm about to do here. There is no particular order as to how you put your ingredients in. It's just whatever you feel comfortable with. So this is my order, this is how I do it. But if you feel like putting the milk last, or you feel like putting the milk first, it is entirely your decision. I think cooking is really, making food is really about just being free and just enjoying yourself. So enjoy. After whizzing up the smoothie lightly, the small pieces of dates in the mixture add to the sweet taste. Just a tip, if you would like everything even sweeter, if you leave the mixture in the fridge for 30 to 40 minutes, it will actually increase the sweetness, the flavours will set in and it will be beautiful. But if you want, you can enjoy it straight away and it is just as nice. I have a wonderfully indulgent recipe inside my description box as well if you want to check that out. I'm sure you love that too, just for those cheeky cheat days. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed making it, really. And I hope that any results that you desire, you achieve them. Join me for part 2. That's the play section. I'll see you there.